All right, I just had one of the peeps that signed up in my group ask me a question, and I like to always make a video if I think there's value that maybe you guys will subscribe to my YouTube channel and watch these darn things. But she asked, if someone pre-enrolls, do you email them or do you just let the auto-responding thingamajig do the work like you said? And I'm like, I do both, and this is why. And if you guys, and let me just show you my screen right now, because if you're not familiar with Save Club, let me just show you a little bit of a little journey that you guys might take here. Okay, now if you're signed up in Save Club, you're probably already going to know what I'm going to show you here. But okay, what I do every day is I just invite people to click ilovesaveclub.com. Okay, that's all I do. And then I let this page right here do all the heavy lifting for me. Okay, our founder, Charles Moy, he chats for you guys for about 6 minutes. Okay, he tells you just about everything you need to know to say, yes, I'm in, no, I'm out, or maybe, give me more information. Okay, now, right here off to your right of the screen, this is, I like to call it a capture page, and you'll probably call it that too once you get real good at this affiliate thing. But this is where simply you put your contact information in, and if you want to join, click this orange button. You're going to get an email. Open it up and you can join from there. Just username, password. All right, do you want to get paid every Friday? Well, good. You got to put your bank information in or cryptocurrency. You guys will figure that out with Save Club, okay? And if you want more information, this is what I'm talking about, the auto-responding email. When you put information in here and you hit that orange button, you're also going to get one nice email per day for 30 days, unless you want to unsubscribe. Okay, I had a couple signups. No, I've had 4 or 5 signups just over the last day or so. And when people sign up with me, they always give me an email, which I like. Hey, Cory, man, I joined your team. Hey, man, I'm excited, or something like that. And they'll say, hey, thanks for sending me an email today. And I'm like, oh my God, I was doing a car show or I was doing something else. I'm like, God, did I send them an email? And I forgot. Oh, Save Club does a really nice email per day. Okay, and that is awesome. Okay, so is there value of letting this system, which is built in, when you pay your $60, oh my gosh, you bet your butt. Because most people don't know how to do emails, or they're shy. They just feel awkward about emailing somebody about business. Okay, so how nice is it that when you join as an affiliate for $60, that the affiliate emails, okay, the automated emails go out every single day, no matter what. And that person, if you pre-enrolled right here on your screen, all right, all you have to do is hit unsubscribe if you're just not feeling it. But if you're feeling it, collect the emails. They're well written. I want you to learn from them, keep them, and you might reuse them somehow. Okay? So, the original question, is there value if I emailed you if you'd go ahead and pre-enroll? Okay? Yes, because I want you to know that I am sure I have an automated email. Okay, just personally, I know how to set up get response, Aweber systems, lead leaps. I know how to set up an autoresponder. But I prefer to have just an email from me. And if your name is Carol or Nikki or Mark or Porky, I just say, Porky, what's going on, brother? Okay, I love your name. I love the cartoon. I even love the movie Porky's from like 1980, I think. But I just want you to know, thanks for pre-enrolling. I'm here. You probably saw my emails. I'm easy to get a hold of on inbox of Facebook or just here's Cory at CoryDraper.com. Thank you. Boom. I think Save Club's amazing. And let me know what you think. Okay? So I do an email, and I do it as fast as possible if I know that there is someone pre-enrolled. And then I also have my own email when you sign up too, when you upgrade. Okay? I think there's massive, massive value doing your own little email. All right? It doesn't have to be so long, guys. Just thank people for real. Okay? Be a real person. Everyone's all, oh, AI, and automate this. And, oh, I'm too busy. Boy, when I'm successful as an affiliate, I'm just too busy shopping. It's like, who cares what you do? Be a person. All right? If someone is cool enough to join underneath you, underneath me, I'm going to go ahead and high five that person. And if we were in, I'd probably buy you lunch, boy. If you were here in Salt Lake, I'd go, thank you. You know what? Because if you signed up, I make 20 to 32 bucks. I don't mind treating you. Let's go get a burger. Let's go get a drink or something. Okay. But anyway, getting back to email, it's great that if you're a little shy and you don't have any idea what I'm talking about as far as an autoresponder, don't worry. This company has it built in, and it is the best feature, in my opinion, because I get signups every week because of the automated emails. Okay. And people, they definitely respond if I do a nice little email myself besides the auto-responding one. Okay. So anyway, let me shrink my screen again. Now, if you're already signed up in Save Club, okay, you can see my screen now. This is what I do. Okay, do you see right now, today is Tuesday, May 25th. Okay, see where it says pre-enroll and upgrades. Pre-enroll are people that are kind enough to just put in, you got it, their information, and boom, if I see that there's 2 people, then what I do is I go over to the referral right there. Okay, so under referral, I can see if you or anybody pre-enrolled, and then I'll go ahead and get my email out that thanks you just for pre-enrolling. I think Save Club's awesome. I sure hope you join, but join quick because June 1st, if you're watching this, you know, today is what, May 13th. But yeah, in 17 days, this thing is really public. But anyway, those 2 people I'm going to write, and then see those 2 people there? I can also tell by clicking that referral tab if those 2 people are the 2 people that upgraded, or are they different? Okay, so let's hit refresh. Okay, look at that. Okay, now I've actually had 3 people pre-enroll, and it looks like since I've been talking to you, I just had 2 other people sign up. Okay, so now I got a total of 4 people that have signed up today, and 3 people pre-enrolled. So I go to the referral, and if 3 out of 4 people, okay, upgraded, then I'll just give them a welcome aboard. I really like Save Club. And then what I've done is I just describe in an email what I do every day to make it this routine, this thing fun. Okay, so that I don't consider promoting Save Club as a chore. Like, oh God, I got to go do this, or I got to answer an email or an inbox, or, oh God, I'm so busy with life. I just thought I'd join Save Club and it's all automated and I just run to the bank every Friday. Okay. I hope you don't think that way. And if you do, I don't blame you. 99%, I think, of everybody has always thought an automated business that prints cash. That's kind of cool, isn't it? But I'm just telling you in my experience, and if you're a fan of my page, or if you feel like you have a little bit of like towards me, the more that I just, talk about myself a little bit and let you know, hey, if you want to email or contact me, I'll help you the best I can. I get a hold of support at saveclub.com. Jeremy always answers me back real nicely. But this is a team thing. If you've joined my team or my group, I want to try to bring you as much value as I can. So I try to do at least 5 videos a day. The other day I did 15 or 14. But, some of my videos are 1 minute. Some are 5, some are 10. I do webinars that are 15 to 30. With this video, I'm already at 9 minutes. But I see the value of just if something's on my mind, or if I get a question, and in this case, I had somebody ask me, hey, there's automated emails, right? But do you do your own email too? And if you do, when do you want to get a hold of someone pre-enrolled or updated or upgraded? Well, in this case, once I upload this video, I'm going to get myself an ice cold drink, and I'm going to go back to my referrals. Okay, and I'd click this and show you, but it shows personal information of my group here. But what I'm going to do is just relax a little bit and have me a little sip of my drink. And then these 3 people, I'm going to go ahead and email them my pre-enrolled email that just says, I'm here, high five, let me know if I can help you out. Now, these upgrades, some of these upgrades might be from the pre-enrolls, but if these are, let's just say 4 different people, then I'm going to send all 4 a nice email that says, welcome aboard, and this is what I do. I seem to, have a technique or a system or something that seems to work. I just want to show you what I do. And you know, everything I do is pretty much free. If you've got like a cell phone, obviously, okay, my business cards, you know, sure, they're $22 at Vistaprint. Maybe you have a printer in town. You can just go there and get them for cheaper than that. But for $22, there I can design them. They just come to my front door. I'm done. GoDaddy, I think, is the best. And the reason why is because they're 24 hours with a human. They're not automated. Some places are like $1 or so cheaper than GoDaddy. If you need to save $1 or two, but there's no customer service of a live human, I think that's a real, that's iffy. Because then you have to go and do your own DNS. You got to know how to change it, and you have to know how to forward. Okay? With GoDaddy, you know, and I'll show you on my screen, I can show this right here to anybody. ilovesaveclub.com on a business card or on your screen. And for free, I can just call GoDaddy, their 800 number, and say, will you forward ilovesaveclub.com to this page right here? Boom. And you're going to have your own page just like this. You're going to put your own name or business right there where my name is. All right, this video is going to be upgraded too. I just saw new versions of this video. It's awesome. I like it even better. And this one's already signed up quite a few people. Let's go to the leaderboard. I don't even know what I'm doing right now. Let me scroll down here. And okay, it looks like I got 71 people signed up. All right, it puts me in the top 10 in the world. And I'm really happy with that. All right, thank you. If you're watching and you've signed up with me, either pre-enrolled or signed up, all right, thank you. Okay, I have no doubt I'm going to sign up hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of people. And I feel like I'm earning my money. Okay, this is not a cash grab to me. This is a opportunity where I think I'm actually providing value. And I want you to think the same. Because to me, making money, you know, it's kind of like you're going, you know, flipping burgers or maybe doing a job you don't like. It's like, yeah, I'm making money. But it's fun when you feel like you're earning it, like you're providing real value. And you care about who you're selling your goods or your time to. Okay? But anyway, it looks like I'm number 8 right now. I've got about 71 people signed up. So thank you for that. Okay? But anyway, guys, looks like I'm at 12 minutes. Please email people. Don't be shy. I'll guarantee you this. Okay? And I know my personality is different than yours. But if somebody is nice enough to just fill in their information and pre-enroll or sign up under you, they are not crazy lunatics. If you just go, hey, this is Cory, I'm new. Thank you so much for signing up. I just wanted to say, what's up? I live in Utah. I'm excited. This is a cool opportunity. But I just wanted to say hello. They'll probably write you back. All right. And just say, man, I love the video. I saw Charles Moy talk, and I want to save money on things I'm already buying or maybe things I'm buying in the future. But I signed up, and if you don't have any experience, don't worry about it. I do. We have materials that are being built right now. All right, I listened to Charles talk last night on a 1-hour webinar. But yeah, we have little videos that are free for you to use. They're neutral. So all you have to do is put your contact information or your sign-up information. In my case, I put ilovesaveclub.com. So if I don't do any videos at all, then use the ones the company are making. Okay, and I'll show you how to get all this stuff. We have 2 Facebook groups that are private. So if you sign up with me, or I belong to the biggest team in Save Club. Okay, and there's power in numbers. I have no doubt, I don't know if anyone can outproduce us in video and content and support. Okay, so not to whatever, to try kind of sound salesy, but if you do sign up with me, you're probably in the biggest group right now, a Save Club, as of May 13th, okay? Because like I said, we're in the pre-launch phase right now. So we're going to do everything we can to give you tools, especially those with no experience. Free little video clips, free pictures, free banners, everything we can do to help you post on social media, or maybe just do a video like this. Get yourself a little webcam. This one's called a Logitech C920. All right, I got a little ring light. You can kind of see my face. You have that little circle on my glasses. Just lights my little face up. But you don't have to do any of this. If you have a natural lighting, I'm in a commercial building with no window in this room, but I just like the light to light me up a little bit. And I like webcam where I can relax. I got Post-it notes. I got a pen in front of me. But if you only have a phone, guys, I'd say 80% of everyone in Save Club is doing everything from phone. I just get tired when I text and it gives me a headache. I love to just sit on a big screen like I'm looking at right now and just chat with you guys. But like I said, I'm an open book. I just tell people exactly what I do. And if you can duplicate, guess what? If you start making money, I make money. So you can bet your sweet bum, my best interest is to help you as much as possible. Okay. So anyway, guys, I'm at 15 minutes. Thank you to the 71 people, it looks like, that put me, let's see, number 8. I love Ed too. Ed's a sweet guy in Japan. And it's a lot of fun. All I can tell you is I'm a big fan of Save Club. All right. I'm going to make thousands of videos over the next 6 months to a year and just build up a real nice team worldwide. And I like saving money. Because, guys, if I have an extra few bucks, you know what I do? I go buy Hot Wheels and Lego kits and probably Kiss lamps. And that's pretty self-evident. So, all right, that's it. My time is done. I'll give you 2 peace signs, okay? And like I said, I'm not shy. Cory at CoryDraper.com. Go ahead and email me anytime. And then also, if you find me on Facebook, just inbox me there. Cool? All right, guys. High five. Thanks for your time. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. And let's save some money. And make some money, too. That'd be nice, huh? Okay, thank you. We'll talk to you soon.